Hello everyone, welcome back to our journey through the world of time management. Today, we're focusing on something truly exciting, creating your own personalized time management goals. It's like being an architect of your own time, designing a structure that perfectly suits your life. So let's roll up our sleeves and start building. Why individualized goals matter. Your life, your rules. Just like fingerprints, everyone's time management needs are unique. What works for your friend or colleague might not work for you. It's about finding your rhythm and dancing to it. Tailor-made for success. When you create goals that are tailored to your personal and professional life, they're more meaningful, and guess what? More meaningful goals are more achievable. Steps to creating your personal time management goals. Reflect on your lifestyle. Take a moment and reflect on your daily life. Are you a night owl or an early bird? Do you thrive in quiet solitude or bustling environments? It's like choosing the right habitat for your personality. Identify your priorities. List down what's most important to you in both personal and professional spheres. It's like packing for a trip. You need to know what essentials to bring along. Assess your current time use. How are you currently spending your time? It's like checking your bank statements to see where the money's going. This awareness is crucial for setting realistic goals, crafting your goals. The SMART approach. Make your goals specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. It's like setting the coordinates for a treasure hunt. The clearer they are, the easier it is to find the treasure. Balance and flexibility. Balance is key. Your goals should address both work and personal life. And remember, flexibility is your friend. Life is unpredictable, and your goals should be able to dance to the tune of life's changes. Small steps, big changes. Break down your goals into smaller steps. It's like climbing a ladder. You reach the top by taking one step at a time. Regular reviews and adjustments. Check in with yourself. Regularly review your goals. Are they still relevant? Are you making progress? It's like checking your GPS during a road trip to make sure you're still on the right path. Be ready to pivot. Don't be afraid to modify your goals. It's not about sticking to a rigid plan. It's about navigating towards your desired destination, even if the route changes. Creating individualized time management goals is about writing your own story, where you're the hero who masters the art of time. It's empowering, it's personal, and it's a game changer in how you approach life and work. All right, folks, with these tools in hand, you're now ready to craft goals that resonate with who you are and what you want to achieve. Remember, this is your time, your life, and your goals. Make them count, make them yours, and watch how they transform your world. Looking forward to seeing what you all create. Keep managing and keep thriving.